Let's just get used to the idea that I'm starting off the vlogs in my car on the way to work with bad lighting at 6:45 in the morning. Hello everyone. Welcome to another vlog. I have a hard time getting motivated to vlog. I am motivated, but it's hard to film some days, some weeks, because I'm like not doing anything. I literally go to work, go home, nap, and do it all over again the next day. Finding my groove. I'm finding my groove here with content creation and like ideas of like what to film and what to post. But if you want, I always say this, but if you want more frequent content and more variety of content, you should follow me on TikTok because I post there quite often, at least way more often than I post on YouTube. So just a little reminder that I do have a TikTok. I did film a TikTok getting ready today. I have an eyelash that's like drooping down and like attaching itself to my lower lash line, which is not fun and makes my eyes water. But nonetheless, it is Wednesday and I'm headed off to work. This week is kind of flying by. Yesterday I kind of worked from home like half day because there was just no reason for me to be in person. I don't know why I've been so exhausted recently. Like, my work is not like anything crazy. I'm not like super stressed out. I'm not like super busy all the time. It's a little confusing why I'm like so tired. Mia! Hi guys! Mia, I was like talking about you in the morning. I was like, oh shit. I was like, oh, I wonder if Mia's gonna be in this vlog. Aww. This is her second to last day, you guys. Aww, and she's gone. I'm wondering if she's gonna be in the vlog. I'm in the vlog, guys. And then she's having her baby.
I am. I'm gonna be gone in 2 weeks. I mean, I'm gonna be gone tomorrow, Friday.
Friday.
Oh my gosh, I feel honored right now.
Yeah, you made it.
I feel honored right now. Oh
I'm like, she better come back to work because I'll be sad and I'll quit.
I'm coming back. Don't worry, guys.
I'm at work and nobody wants to be on my vlog.
Ask two people.
Let's just wait until somebody notices. Look.
Oh shit. Okay. Just call people randomly.
This coffee is like really warm.
I was gonna ask him, he's not ashamed, but he's wearing a crazy shirt.
Santos, you don't want to say hi?
Come say hi.
Oh, he's on the phone. I said, come say hi.
Come say hi.
Look, just peek.
Just look. Don't be scared.
He said I'm scared. Don't be shy.
No. Oh. Why did you both stand up at the same time? I'm dead. That was funny. Say hi. That's it.
That's all we wanted you for.
I was mad.
But now, say hi.
Oh. Hello.
This is Mark.
Hi.
He's the VP of Sales, aka my bestie.
I bring the vibes.
He brings the vibes. He provides the coffee.
Bring the vibes. I don't bring much, but I bring the vibes.
Santos won't be in it. I got Scott in it. Trying to get Dante here soon. Let's go show them where I used to sit.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Okay, yeah.
What is this?
Dude, we're vlogging.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Say hi. This is Luke. He's
Hello.
my first friend here.
That's right. Besties.
I used to sit next to him. I still do, technically. This is my desk. But I have a more personalized desk over there.
Ours is better.
Yeah, this side is better.
Trapped in the corner over here.
Yeah, there's like putting greens.
It's too long over here.
Okay, Luke wasn't as like...
Usually when he has a couple in him.
Yeah, usually he's a different vibe. Maybe on a Friday. There's Mark in his office.
What's up, Mia?
Say hi to Mackenzie.
I said hi to Mackenzie. What's good, Kens? Oh, you're the film? What up, Big Mac?
Okay,
I'm Dante. I'm the coolest person in the office, and I'm also
really cool. So
Oh yeah, I slapped you down.
Wait, tell me what you called me yesterday. I walk into work and this is what he says to me.
I call it big body Kens.
Big body Kens? Why?
It's like big body Bens.
Oh, okay.
He said apparently it's a compliment, but I said never say that to another girl ever.
So this is what you do?
This is what I do.
How do you know what to say?
Well, right now I don't know what to say.
Yeah, I'd just be like, so guys, the sky is nice out today. We got about 73% humidity.
I said, I vlogged my way here, and I said, I'm going to work, and tonight I'm going to go to OC Fair to go see Elton John.
Oh, you're going to go to the OC Fair today? Yeah. Actually, that's pretty
Elton
cool.
John's not performing at
that's
the OC.
So cool.
It's the Felton John.
Felton, you know, fake Elton.
Yeah. Steph, come say hi to my vlog.
Say hi.
What up?
Get closer.
Is vlogging right now?
Yeah.
Oh well, I'm gonna be a
Ryan,
star.
say hi.
Oh, he was ready.
Yeah, he was ready.
He was like, I hope they ask me.
They asked me to be included here. Bye, Steph.
I'll bring waffle mix on Friday.
Hey, what's up, YouTube?
Hit the subscribe button.
Subscribe!
You should put that.
Dude, he like popped a blood vessel trying to do that. Like and subscribe now. I'm in the studio right now because I have to film a video. Let me just do this. Okay, me just being like one of the Blue Man group. Anyway, I have to film a video for this like side brand kind of that my work has. So I have a script right here, TikTok right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start filming. It takes a little bit long time because I don't know what I'm talking about, and so it doesn't come naturally, so I have to like follow a script, and it's kind of hard. When running lead generation campaigns on Facebook, most people fail because of this one thing. Dude. Dude, Christian.
It's a revolving door. You want to advertise, but in order to advertise, you need clients. Well, in order to have clients, you got to have money to advertise, right?
Number 2, you're a weak. Number 2, your CTA is weak and unclear. Okay, I just finished, filming it. Took like 20 minutes, which is kind of a long time for a TikTok. That's okay. That's what I'm doing. It's my job. It is 9:35. We have lunch at 11, so I have about an hour and a half to get some stuff done. But I think right now I'm gonna edit my own TikToks because the other stuff I can do a little bit later. So,
Oh wait,
this is what I got.
wait, hold on. Wait, no. I'm not ready. I already took off the cap though.
Yeah, I'm gonna take off mine. What'd you get?
I got tofu and egg because I'm pregnant and I can't eat raw fish, but I also don't like fish, so.
I got spicy tuna and salmon.
Can you do that?
If I had nails. I'm kind of just going for it.
It's good. Sorry, my first bite wasn't on camera.
Wow, that's good.
Am I in your frame?
You want to be in my thumbnail?
No.
Why? I swear he hates me.
Show movie.
Girl, you wish. But we just did
I was gonna
the.
say that give me my money, you should have vlogged that.
Oh my god, I should have.
That would be funny.
But we just did the give me my money challenge.
Give me my money.
In a little bit of a bad mood, but now we're fine.
Yeah, that was a good laugh. Laughter is the key to everything, man.
Yeah.
Laughter is the key to everything.
Laughter is the best medicine.
As well.
Okay, thank you.
Let me ask you. I know you told me
Bye-bye.
That's
your
good.
is going to be up
That's a good price.
$2.43.
Yeah, because normal, well, luncheons like Chipotle for the 15 people is $2.50.
Okay.
So that's like
Okay.
that's literally more than